Welcome back. Here's myth 4. Using difficult words makes me sound smarter. False. IELTS does not reward forced vocabulary. It rewards natural, clear language. Big words can sound unnatural. They can confuse your message. Listen to this. I find cooking relaxing and enjoyable. Now this. Cooking is a therapeutic manifestation of my emotional state. The second sentence sounds strange. Not smarter, just uncomfortable. The truth is simple. Use vocabulary that fits the topic. Use words you control confidently. Clear English beats complicated English. Every single time.
Speak naturally. Score higher.